Hardwood floors are greatly affected by the humidity level in your house. If the humidity level is too low, it's going to take a sufficient amount out of the wood, and it's going to make the board contract, which is going to cause gaps in your floor. This could also cause creaks and squeaks in your floor. Now, if the humidity level goes too high, it will make the board swell, causing an effect called cupping. So it's going to look like an ocean in your house. It's because the boards have overexpanded because it has overabsorbed too much moisture. If you control the moisture in your house, you won't have a problem with your flooring. How do you control moisture in your home? It's very simple. In the wintertime, use a humidifier. This will add moisture to the air. In the summertime, you might have to use a dehumidifier. Depending on the type of flooring that you have, you want it to be somewhere between 45 and 55%. I hope you found this video helpful, and for more information and your free estimate, please visit us online or give us a call.